Previously on a Team Electric's video.
It's a lot of Play-Doh.
Is it just like 3 things of Play-Doh?
It's so much more than that.
But now one really weird man has come to reclaim his Play-Doh.
No, it was a rough night last night. The only thing that can make this day better is if I won that Team Electric's giveaway. Let's see here. Who is Cameron Weenie? Logan Amos is done losing. I already lost my wife, my third cousin, my sister, and Greg. Never mind, I didn't lose Greg. Greg still's here. I'm done losing. Logan Amos loses no more. Team Electrics, I'm coming. Woo! It's all mine, boys. Woo! Greg's got a new mower. Where's my spit bottle? Don't worry, Greg got it! Greg, give me that. Greg, you're getting it everywhere. Electrics is here. Team Electrics! Oh no! How'd you find me? Greg. Dang it, Greg. Greg knows all. Logan Amos has lost for the last time, boy. I'm suing you for everything you got. I'm bringing you to court, and I'm bringing my potato farmers with me.
Okay, I'll see you in court
You
then.
let that be known.
I ain't scared.
You should be.
Oh, Poopy, we screwed.
Gonion, you're the best. You're the best one in the best cook in the whole world. You know, the whole world looks up to you. You know, all the greatest chefs from years they look up to you. You know.
Gonion. Okay, we're getting sued, bro.
You getting sued?
Yeah, we getting big sued.
Big sued?
Big sued.
Like 25 sued?
Like, we talking like 25 million. Like, this inbred farmer, he gonna take everything from us, bro, just cause he didn't win his Play-Doh.
What? That's not fair.
It ain't.
He didn't win. He didn't
He's
win.
stupid. I don't know why he even comes here.
What the heck?
I don't know.
So, what do we have to do?
We got to find a lawyer right now.
Micah,
Yeah.
find me a lawyer.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Okay, who you
And
got?
she's
Who you
listening.
got?
Yeah. Here we
Who you
go. I
got?
pulled it up. Yeah. What about this one? What about this one?
Ooh,
Here we go,
wait,
here we go.
wait.
Here we go, here we
This one?
Yeah.
This one? He
Looks
seems
pretty.
like you got him off Angie's list, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Straight
I
up.
think we
The
can
top
use
one.
him.
The one on the top of the.
He looks good to me.
Okay, he'll look good.
Looks good to me.
Look good, look perfect. Okay, I think we need to suit up for court now.
Yes.
Now Team Gonion must prepare for the biggest day of their lives.
Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbity choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up.
Now we take a look in at how the inbred farmers prepared for this.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm.
Where's the judge?
I'm here. Chef Gonion rise. Chef Gonion defense. Inbred farmer offense rise. Amen.
Amen, brother.
State your case.
According to my papers here, very truthful documents, I was scammed on a Play-Doh deal by that man.
I didn't do it.
You did do it.
Calm down, sir.
I'm sorry, sir. Potatoes haven't been doing good for me. The Play-Doh thing. And the farm's running out of money. We need money. We need lots of money.
Now, Chef Dakota and Chef Gonion, please state your defense.
Okay. According to the Bible, Play-Doh misconduct is not a thing.
Amen.
One of the commandments is thou shalt not kill except for them critters, okay? And the 11th commandment says Play-Doh misconduct is not a thing, especially in Church Hill, Objection. You want to see my text evidence? Let me show you my text evidence. Come here.
Bring it to
Oh,
the
that's
judge.
Look at this text evidence.
Look at this. This is real.
The judge would
Text
like to-
evidence. That is in the King James Version of the Bible.
The judge would like to see.
I think we gotta win.
I have evidence
Amen.
that their Play-Doh misconduct was used. As y'all may know, well, anyway. Okay, Mr. Weenie won the Play-Doh, but in reality, I got a little birdie tell me that, in fact, I did win the Play-Doh deal, and it was just a scam.
Who is this witness?
I'd like to call my lawyer.
You may proceed. Come up to the judge stand.
I'd like to see you beat this. I got a good lawyer.
Name your thank you. Name your thank
My name's Greg, and I'm pleading Logan Amos innocent, and my evidence is farming.
Farmers don't know what they're doing.
You stop. I'm supposed to be in.
He's the innocent one. What are you talking
What
about?
farmer? What farmer was that kind of mouse?
I know. It looks stupid.
Look at that. That's
Before you don't read the Bible,
mouse
sir.
too.
You know,
He got crazy.
Order in the court.
I broke my toe. Order in the court.
You better give me some Play-Doh now!
And I say that man right there is innocent.
Are you stupid? I'm the innocent one.
That's it, man. I can't say that.
holy Jesus Christ! What the?
You are not innocent.
Our table deflated.
To call a witness to the stand if the judge would like to agree with that.
Okay.
Ricky Bobby.
My name is Ricky Bobby, and Chef Gonion has treated Logan Amos unfairly. I have video evidence to show this. May I please present?
I know. Amos won. But no one cares about the farmers. Cameron Weenie. Everyone loves Cameron Weenie.
Yeah, just pick Weenie. Weenie a hometown thing.
Weenie is the governor, so we have to give it to him.
The potato farmers just don't mean anything.
No one cares about them.
Nobody will know we rigged this thing. This will never get out to anybody.
Yes, no, it's not.
Nobody's definitely watching us right
Yeah, no one's.
Nobody can be
no,
doing
no spy cameras, no nothing.
now.
We're okay.
Gonion deserves to be sued.
Chef Gonion, is that true?
That was my third cousin.
That couldn't have been us.
Lies.
It couldn't have been us.
That was my third cousin. It's okay. It wasn't me.
We've never lied on this channel, and we never ever gonna lie again.
No, we love it.
Objection. Judge, these men are obviously guilty, okay?
I would like to call Chef Dakota to the stand.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
What's up? Okay. So basically, my home dog, Gonion, he didn't do nothing wrong. That stupid potato farmer thought he found a clip of our exact voices with our exact faces on it, but there's no way that could really be us. I'm telling you, that's stupid and it's fake news, and that farmer is wrong. He's wrong.
We have video evidence.
order in the court. It's fake. Can I call Chef Gonion to the stand? State your case.
So, someone, and this is what I think, they found clips of us in our videos of us cooking saying those words like, of different parts of us saying like I and then don't, and then they just mashed it up and made our voice recordings. That was us. That was not us.
Come on,
Is that
preach it.
true,
And I
Mr.
believe
Davis?
I should not, this is for me not to be sued and them nothing. But I believe they should go to jail and be sued for calling us to the court today whenever I am innocent and wasting a bunch of time,
Video evidence. You cannot deny it.
which is fake. It's fake.
Me don't know how computer work, that we cannot fix that.
Can I call their lawyer to the stand?
Oh yeah.
State your case.
Gonion is innocent by the law of the Bible. The King James Version says that Chef Gonion is innocent by all means under the Lord's law.
They seem to have pretty precarious case. What do you have to say about that?
They're just a bunch of hillbillies. I don't even know them.
You gonna know my stick if you ain't careful, boy.
You don't know my gun.
Order in the court. Order.
I think it's time to settle this. It's a federal law.
Y'all really think they caught me?
right here.
Order.
Y'all really think they caught me on Angie's list?
I sentenced Dakota and their lawyer to 30 days of Chuck E. Cheese, and I sentenced Chef Gonion to Hungarian prison.
How is
Get over
this?
here.
How is this possible?
Dun dun dun!
Double agent!
Dun dun dun!
Come on, residents of God.
No, God, yeah, don't.
Does that mean we won?
Yeah! Will we ever see Gonion again? Tune up to find out. Thank you for watching.
Our shirts are popping, baby.